Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the best digital marketing course in Mumbai. I'm Hazel and I have 5 years of experience in digital marketing, and today I will tell you everything about what digital marketing is, what you learn in digital marketing, and why it is in high demand right now. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you that I have added every detail about the best digital marketing course in the description, so make sure you check it out. Let's start. Digital marketing is all about promoting products or services using online platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and email. It includes areas like SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Essentially, digital marketers help businesses grow their online presence and connect with customers. It's one of the fastest growing career fields today because every business needs a strong online presence. Now let's talk about what you can learn in digital marketing. You can start with content creation, basically making posts, blogs, videos, and reels that people actually want to see. Then come SEO and analytics. Sounds fancy, but it's just learning how to get your website or post seen by the right people and then figuring out what's working and what's not. Of course, you'll also get hands-on paid ads like Google ads and Facebook ads, learning how to spend smartly and get results fast. And don't forget email marketing, sending newsletters or updates that actually get people interested instead of just ending up in the spam folder. Plus, you will learn data analysis, basically how to read numbers and trends so your campaigns keep getting better. And super important, you'll pick up soft skills like working with clients, managing your time, and handling projects like a pro. So basically, by the end of your learning, you are actually ready to run campaigns, create content, and get results. You can work in any industry: e-commerce, finance, health, education, literally everywhere. And the best part, digital marketing is growing every day, so opportunities are expanding constantly. Now let's talk about how to choose the right institute. A good digital marketing institute should make you job ready, not just teach you theory. That means hands-on training, live campaigns, real-time projects, and proper internship opportunity. The course should cover core skills like SEO, social media marketing, Google and Meta ads, content marketing, email marketing, and analytics, with strong focus on tools and practical execution. Most importantly, the institute should help you build confidence, a solid portfolio, and offer placement or career support. If an institute checks all these boxes, you can confidently say it's a great place to learn digital marketing. I have also added a link in the description of our website that offers all these features. Make sure you check that link to explore the full course details. If this video helped you even a little, then do like, comment, and subscribe to Career Lift.